The United Nations World Tourism Organization cites that in 2012, over 1 billion people crossed borders for reasons including leisure, business and wellness. And this upward momentum is expected to continue, with Asia remaining a powerhouse for world tourism growth in 2013. Ayubowan. I am Hiran Kure, Chairman of Lighthouse Hotel Galle, Sri Lanka. Ours is a unique hotel, an icon of Galle, designed by the world-renowned architect Geoffrey Bawa. The novel architecture, touch of history, and our inimitable service and facilities have continued to attract guests from across the world. In 2012, Sri Lanka crossed the 1 million mark in tourist arrivals, following a 17.5% increase in visits from 2011. Visitors were attracted by the island's hereditary beauty and newfound peace. This was accentuated by enhanced infrastructure, road development, hotel expansions, city beautification programs, and a new port, expressway, and international airport. It's no wonder the island is seeing a boom in tourism. Jetwing Lighthouse is a small luxury hotel. In order to cater to the increased demand, we are now adding on an exclusive wing featuring 22 rooms due to be completed by the end of this year, as well as a 3-room spa and a restaurant. We have also taken under our wing the management of 2 villas, Ira Beach and Jetwing Galle Heritage Villa. The revenue from these 2 properties have enhanced the hotel's bottom line. Additionally, we own Jetwing Kurulubadda, an eco-lovers haven just a kilometer away from the Lighthouse Hotel. During the year, our turnover increased by 14% to 615 million rupees. We also saw a marginal increase in profit before tax from 124 million to 127 million rupees. While escalating overheads limited this growth, going forward, we expect enhanced revenue with the increase in the number of rooms. For over a decade, the Lighthouse Hotel has maintained a dividend payout ratio which is above 75% of profit. This year too, we have declared a dividend per share of 2 rupees, distributing 92 million out of the 112 million rupees net profit earned during the fiscal year. All Jetwing hotels, including Jetwing Lighthouse, are designed to be as sustainable as possible, with energy and resources used sparingly. We are now also exploring energy alternatives like biomass and solar power. This year, Jetwing Lighthouse was recognized for its environmental management efforts and awarded the ISO 14001 certification. Our focus on uplifting the communities around us remain undeterred as well. In the coming year, the Lighthouse Hotel will continue to enhance its service standards and operations, develop its associates and invest in product enhancement. Thus, we will maintain our status as the most sought-after hotel in the south of Sri Lanka. On behalf of the Lighthouse team, I thank you for your continued support.